Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Stefan. In today's video I will be showing you how I make plantain chips, so stay tuned. If you know you've not subscribed to my channel, please kindly click the subscribe button. So here you will be needing 4 pieces of plantain. You can call it Indian banana or plantain. So right now I'm going to peel the plantain. After finish peeling it, I will drop it inside water for the color to still remain the same. After peeling, I use my grater to slice it into small pieces. You will need your oil. So you make your oil to be hot. Then you put the plantain one piece into your hot oil. Please don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. So I'm going to add the second batch. So you repeat this the same as I showed you. So plantain is ready now. As you can see, it tastes very yummy. So right now you just add a little salt while it's still hot. So this is the end of this video. Thank you and God bless you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video. Bye.